Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 11th. Now, Act 1, Scene 2 is going on. The speech of Miranda is here. Alack for mercy, Miranda says, Alas, may God have mercy. Ferdinand says, Yes, faith and all his lords, the Duke of Milan and his brave son being twain. Yes, Ferdinand says, Yes, truly, all my father's lords, the Duke of Milan and his handsome son, got lost in the wreck. Prospero says, aside, the Duke of Milan and his more braver daughter could control thee. Prospero, in aside, says, the Duke of Milan and his beautiful daughter could challenge you. But now, this is not the proper time to do it. At the first meeting, he says, at the first meeting, but now it is not the proper time to do. Is not that were fit to do it. At the first sight, they have changed eyes, delicate Ariel. I will set thee free for this. To Ferdinand, a word, good sir, a fear you have done yourself some wrong, a word. But now, Prospero says, but now this is not the proper time to do it. At the first meeting, these two have fallen in love with each other. Delicate Ariel, I will set you free for this. To Ferdinand, he says, I want to have a word with you, sir. I am afraid that you have done wrong to yourself. Let me have a word with you. Miranda says, why speaks my father so ungently? This is the third man that ever I saw, the first that ever I sighed for. Pity move my father to be inclined my way. Miranda says, why does my father speak so harshly? This is the third man whom I have seen in my life, and he is the first with whom I have fallen in love. Many pity move my father so that he may look at this man in the same way as I do. Ferdinand says, oh, if a virgin and your affection not gone forth, I will make you the queens of Naples. Ferdinand says, off, if you are unmarried and if you are not in love with somebody else, I will make you the queen of Naples. Prospero says, soft, sir, one word more. This is aside. They are both in either's power, but the swift business I must uneasy make, lest too light winning make the prize light. Very good line, he says, not so fast, sir. I want to have one more word with you. I have to say something more with you. Aside, he says, each of them is now affected by love for the other. Each of them, means Miranda and Ferdinand, is now affected by love for the other. But I must put obstacles in the way of this rapidly progressing love affair, because if something is easily obtained, it seems valueless. Very good line, he says, if something is easily obtained, it seems valueless. To Ferdinand, he says, one word more I charge thee, that thou attend me. Thou dost her usurp the name thou owest now, and hast put thyself upon this island as a spy, to win it from me, the Lord on it. He says to Ferdinand, I want to have one more word with you. I call upon you to listen to me. You have usurped the title of the King of Naples, which you have not a right to do. You have come to this island as a spy to conquer it from me, the ruler on it. Ferdinand says, no, as I am a man. No, sir, I am not a spy. I swear I am an honest man. Miranda says, there is nothing ill can dwell in such a temple. If the ill spirit have so fair a house, good things will strive to dwell with it. Miranda is in favor of Ferdinand. She says there is nothing evil that can dwell in such a temple. Temple means here Ferdinand's heart. If the devil can have such a beautiful house, good things wish to dwell in it. Prospero says to Ferdinand, follow me, speak not you for him, he is a traitor. Come, I will manacle thy neck and feed together. See, water shalt thou drink, thy food shall be the fresh brook mussels, withered roots and husk, wherein the corn cradled. Follow. Prospero wants to taste of Ferdinand, whether she really loves Miranda or not. So he gives him a very hard task to do. He says, follow me, do not defend him, do not defend him. He says to Miranda, do not defend him, do not support him, he is a traitor. Come with me, I will chain you neck, I will chain your neck and feet together. He says to Ferdinand, you will get only sea water to drink, and for food you will get fresh water, mussels. Mussels are kind of fish, dried roots and husks with acorns. Follow me. Ferdinand said, no, I will resist such entertainment till mine enemy has more power. Ferdinand says, no, I resist such a treatment unless my enemy has more powerful than me. My enemy has more power. He is more powerful than me, but I will resist. Draw and is charmed from moving. Draw and is charmed from moving. Draw. He draws his sword to fight Prospero and is charmed from moving. Miranda says, oh dear father, make not too rash a trial of him, for he is gentle and not fearful. Miranda says, oh dear father, do not be too rash in judging him. Don't make haste, because he is peaceful. Prospero says, what I say, my foot, my tutor. Put thy sword up, traitor, who makest a show, but darest not to strike thy conscience. Thy conscience. Prospero says, what? Am I to take lessons from my inferior? Raise your sword, you traitor. You make show of fighting, but you dare not strike. Because your conscience is haunted by guilt, is so possessed with guilt. Come from thy ward, from I can hear, disarm thee with this stick. For I can disarm you without arm, for I can disarm you with the sticks, with this stick, and can make your weapon drop. Miranda says, beseech you, father, I request you, my father. Prospero says, hence hang not on my garments. Go away, do not hold me by my garment. Do not hold me by my garment. Miranda says, sit, have pity, I will be his surety. Miranda says, always in the favor of Ferdinand, she says, sir, have pity on him, I will stand surety for him. And what happened, what Prospero says, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.